press the bell icon for all the updates.
अब सामने हट जाओ भैया, हम भी अंदर काम कर लें। अरे दोस्त, अरे यार, अरे भाई, क्रॉस। अरे भाई फोटो यहाँ पे करेंगे। हम करने में हम आए इसलिए दादा थोड़ा मांगे थोड़े मैम सामने नीचे
And there's your seat. Announcers, can you please take my friends up there? The program तो ही चालू रख पाएंगे.
Can you please take the second row, please?
And appreciate some of the topmost leaders that we have in the country. Please welcome. Welcome. Thank you for coming, Sonam. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, so the kids' questions are always very imaginative, and they have so many questions for you. So I'll give it to her.
My question is for Rakesh sir. Rakesh Balki sir.
No problem. Right?
Sorry. That which is your best advice in life?
Best advice in life?
Yes.
Don't follow any advice. Think on your own. Study everybody, listen to everybody, but think on your own.
Thank you.
Both of them. Maybe. Would you like to answer that too?
सर, मुझे अमिताभ सर से एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है कि आप जो हमारे लिए ये सब कर रहे हैं, उसका आपको मोटिवेशन कहाँ से मिल जाता है?
आपको देखो. I think he answered it. आप सबको मिलके बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलता है. But I would like to ask the same question to both of you. What motivated you to make a movie which is going to go to the length and breadth and width of India, to tier 2, tier 3 cities, to the urban-most centers of the world, and inspire them? What motivated you to do this, both of you?
Say, you say, na?
I was just telling Balki sir that I'm usually very shy, not in front of the camera, in front of him, but otherwise. But honestly, to be a part of any film that can reach that, it has to be an entertaining film. But at the end of the day, there has to be something that says something, that means something, that has some depth and gravitas. Otherwise, life बहुत boring हो जाती है. अगर हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते हैं, भगवान ने बहुत कुछ दिया है, तो उसको हम लेके अगर सिर्फ घर पे बैठेंगे और सिर्फ अपने लिए इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो लाइफ बहुत खोखा हो जाता है. तो इट्स बेटर टू काइंड ऑफ शेयर इट विद एवरीबडी एंड इंस्पायर एवरीवन.
I really think that this film is an important film only because we've never spoken about sanitary pads. There has never been a film in the world before about sanitary pads, and it's a subject that everybody, for some unknown reason, whisper. They never speak up. They never kind of say anything. So this is a film that is just, even if it does make people just say the word pad easily, I think 90% of the job is done. And it's a very, very important cause. Lots of health is at stake here. If that happens, I'm sure it'll go a long way. And films are very powerful in this country.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So who is your role model?
Who's my role model? Him.
Yeah.
No, I really wish I could be. I could have half his, not half, even 1/10 his sensitivity, even a bit of how he thinks. He's given up everything. I remember, I just heard what she told me. And when she kind of, when they were going to get married, the first thing he said is, I'm not going to kind of earn a single penny. I'm going to work for people. a person who really enjoys working for the happiness of people, to make people's lives better. I've never met anybody so clear about it in life, and he's really always happy. I've never seen him ever have a frown. He's always smiling. At 6:30 in the morning, who smiles with that kind of enthusiasm? This man does. Incredible man.
Thank you, sir.
Who's Sonam's role model?
My role model. You know, I would love to say my dad and my mom, who are, my parents are. But there was a beautiful speech that this actor in Hollywood, his name was Matthew McConaughey, he gave it in the Oscar, and when he won his Oscar. And he said, my role model is me 10 years ahead. And 10 years ahead, I'll say my role model is Taman 10 years ahead. So the best advice I think anybody's given me, besides saying that my father has actually given me, he said, believe in yourself and be the best version of yourself and eventually become someone that you would want to be. So that's the most important thing.
पैडमैन मूवी जिस बात को प्रमोट करना चाहती है वो हम सोसाइटी में कैसे कहें?
बेटा थोड़ा यहाँ से एक क्वेश्चन।
पैडमैन मूवी जिस बात को प्रमोट करना चाहती है वो हम सोसाइटी में कैसे कहें?
सोसाइटी में कैसे कहें?
पहली बात ये है, हमने जो फिल्म बनाई है, ये फिल्म अगर आप मतलब जो भी देखेगा उनमें समझ में आएगा कि अगर आपको पीरियड आता है, जैसे हम इंडिया में महीना कहते हैं उसे, उसमें कोई शर्म की बात नहीं है। तो आप अपनी सहेलियों को ये समझा सकते हो, बोल सकते हो कि अगर आपका पीरियड आता है तो ये शर्म की बात नहीं है, बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि ये आपको लड़कों से बेटर आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आप लड़कों से बेटर हो। आप यू कैन गिव बर्थ, यू कैन बी अ मॉम, एंड नो बॉय कैन एवर डू दैट. So it's something that's really it's something that you need to be proud of. तो आप अपने सहेलियों के साथ ये शेयर करोगे और उनको बताओगे कि डरो मत, कुछ बुरा नहीं है, ये अच्छी बात है, उससे ही.
अगर हमें सोनम कपूर आप जैसे बनना हो तो हम कैसे बन सकते हैं?
लंबा
बन सकते हैं. हाँ? अगर हमें आप जैसे बनना हो तो हम कैसे बन सकते हैं? मेरे
जैसे बनना बहुत ही आसान चीज़ है. यू जस्ट बी योरसेल्फ. कुछ भी जो मन में आए बोलते रहो, जो भी करना है जो भी सोचते हो वही करते रहो, बस. बहुत ही आसान है और आसान बात है. और खुश रहो. मैं सिर्फ खुश रहती हूँ.
Sir, my question is to you. आपको इतनी अच्छी प्यारी मूवी बनाने की कहाँ से मिलती है?
This movie is based on the life of Mr. Arunachalam Muruganandam. His life is my motivation to make this movie.
As we close, Malki ji, would you like to announce what you told me there about wanting to show the films to this?
Yeah, I think I want Padman actually. The first people to see Padman should be children from the 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th standard. So this is a film that will be premiered with for children, actually, in a lot of schools. In schools like this, in places where children just need to be aware that it's a very, very normal thing to happen. So this is an initiative we are taking. We are actually kind of showing this to a lot of school children who are in these age groups, who are not exposed to talks like this, but who can be very, very familiar right from day one. So this is with Amitabh's help. We're kind of going to do it across schools in Bombay, Delhi, and a lot of other places.
Thank you, sir. And the last award of the evening, Yes Bank. We've got the foundation head Prerna with us, who's come all the way from IIT. She ran from IIT Powai all the way here. They do some tremendous work in short films for social causes, and it really hits home. I mean, they make world record.
That's my boss and अरे क्या कर रहा है? Okay, the first one by. क्या बोलने का? Thank you. Picture दिखाना. Continue using it always.
मीडिया वालों का भी शुक्रिया सबका है, बहुत अच्छे से आप लोगों ने हेल्प की है बच्चों के लिए, थैंक यू। बेटा बेटा पीछे बैठो। उनकी बोलेंगे देखोगे ना उनके साथ मूवी?
ठीक है, देखो ना
रोहन और वरुण का है। रोहन है, रोहन किधर है? रोहन एक सेकंड इधर आ रहा, जल्दी आ जल्दी आ जल्दी आ। और बच्चा पार्टी, ये रोहन है ट्रिगर मैक्स ट्रिगर हैप्पी से। एक हफ्ते से आप सबके लिए सोनम और बाल्टी जी आ सके और पैड मिल सके, इसलिए बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है, 200 स्टूडेंट मेहनत कर रहा है, इसके लिए तालियां हो जाए, बहुत दिन से मेहनत कर रहा है।
Sir, Palgi sir, sir, Palgi sir, Palgi sir, please come here. Palgi sir, please come here. Dost.
सोनम जी, सोनम
आप साइड करो सब लोग, आप सबको साइड करो, साइड चलो। साइड हो जाओ, साइड हो जाओ। छोड़ छोड़